What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to generate an XML sitemap or RSS feed especially for Google News. Okay, so what is Google News? This is the new homepage of Google News. Google News is a place where Google share all the relevant news according to your search, according to your preferences, okay? All that is trending into the world, and you as a WordPress website owner can submit your site if you have a blog and write news about any topic that you like into your blog. You can submit your site into Google News Publisher Center. This is free, you can do, but you must have a RSS feed, and preparing your RSS feed especially for Google News, it's the best option you have, okay? So into this video, we're gonna learn how to create this RSS news feed, especially for Google News, okay? In a simple, fast, and free way. But before we can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, okay? So, let's get it started. First of all, let's move to our WordPress dashboard. Here is my blog. It has some new blog posts, okay? Nothing special, but this is gonna serve as an example. So go to my WordPress dashboard, and under plugins, into the left side of menus, hover your mouse over it, and click on add new. Into the upper right corner, we're gonna see the search plugins field. We're gonna type this: XML Sitemap and Google News. We're gonna scroll it down a little bit, and this is the guide that we are looking for: XML Sitemap and Google News. It have lot of sites, lot of active installations, good rated, okay? So click on install. After installation complete, click on activate this blue button, okay? This is gonna redirect you to the plugin page. Let me scroll down until I can find the plugin. And here is the plugin, okay? And we can click into the settings, so we can open the plugin up. And here is the settings we have. Enable XML sitemaps. I would like to enable only the Google News Sitemap, okay? So I'm gonna select this one, unselect this one, and save change. Go to settings, and here is the place almost like the one you're gonna see into the Google Publisher Center in order to submit your site to Google News. First of all, publication name, normally it's the site title. If you do not want to change, nothing to worry. The post type, what post types we're gonna be calling the posts from. For example, if you have a news post type, or if you have another kind of post type, but default it's posts, the place where we do store all our posts into the WordPress. This place right here, okay? This is a custom post type. And we can limit the posts in those post categories. For example, if you want to only share to Google News some posts related to web design, for example, okay? You're gonna click right here. Simple as it is. After this, save change, okay? Changes are saved, and click right here, Google News Sitemap. Open your Google News Sitemap. And here is my website, my example website, Google News RSS optimized feed, okay? So we're gonna grab this feed, copy this URL, and go to the Google Publisher Center. If you review this right sidebar, you're gonna see all of the useful links in order to submit your site, in order to understand more about Google. I know that Google may be quite complicated sometimes, okay? But go to the links right here, you're gonna be up and ready for this, okay? So we are good to go. You already have a Google News optimized website sitemap, and your blog may be on Google. The process for Google to approve your site may take 2-4 weeks or even 2 months, okay? So no need to worry, it takes time. There's a lot of sites submitting and Google needs to review every single one, okay, to make the content relevant and good for people to read, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our free WordPress plugin, the Borders, in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools, and even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, okay? So go to our WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search for Borders, click on install and activate it, and go happy. In addition, in the case that you are in need of a free WordPress theme in order to create your site, your landing page, your sales page, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, and search for our Enzo WordPress theme. This is our completely free WordPress theme that have features that not even premium themes has, okay? And as a final note, in the case that you are in need of your website or landing page or sales page done faster with full support, extra help, and would like to start with pre-built websites, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can choose from, thousands of pages and hundreds of sections that you can import with a single click for every business style, go to visualmodo.com, review the Visual Modo Pass product, and go premium. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!